Hello, what's up everybody? Today we will look into how to handle the errors in the Power Query. I have an Excel report here which is the sales report. So if you look at the report, we have product, date, unit price and units sold. Under units sold column, we have few errors. At the same time, we have hyphen symbol which is minus for few cells. Let us load this data and see how to handle the errors. Here there are two ways to handle the errors. First, go to Power BI, click on Get Data, select Excel Workbook, click Connect, select the report, click Open, select the table TBL Sales and click on Transform Data. This will load the data into the table. Here you can see 3 errors are loaded, but there are 2 more hyphens. The first method to handle the errors, if you would like to remove these rows without having in your data model, you can select the column. Under Home ribbon, click on Remove Rows and select Remove Errors. And still you can see 2 more rows having hyphen. These 2 rows also will trouble us to have the errors in the data model for calculation and all. Click on the drop down and exclude minus. Click OK. Now you will have only the numbers without having any trouble for your data model. Click on ABC123 icon and change the data type to whole number, and you can happily load the data into the data model. Second method, click on the 3 dots, more options, choose Edit Query, remove these 3 steps that we have applied. This was the data state when we have uploaded into the Power Query. Currently we have selected changed type. Just select the prior step, which is navigation, and select the units sold column. Go to transform, click on replace values, select replace errors, insert, and here you have to give null, which is all lowercase. Null means it's blank. In Power Query language, null means it is blank. Click OK. Now all errors have been updated with null. And one more time, go to replace values, choose replace values, insert, here value to find, which is hyphen, replace with null. Click OK. The bottom 2 rows which having hyphen also updated with nulls. This way you will not lose any data in the Power Query. You will get all the data. And come to change type, change this to whole number, and then go to Home tab, close and apply. This will reload the data, all the rows without losing data from your Excel. So this way you can handle the errors in the Power Query in 2 methods. I hope you like this video. Please comment down your opinion, and thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.